guys are probably thinking I need to go get gas, but I don't. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira over on Just Being C'Aira. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm heading out to go couponing. I'm doing this every Saturday. I do it at Family Dollar. Today I'm going to adventure off not only to Family Dollar but to CVS as well to see how this works, see how it goes. So one tip I will give you guys before we get started is definitely write it down before you go, right? Because if you don't write it down before you go, you have no idea what you're getting. You have no idea what coupons is on your, what smart coupons are on your account attached to your phone number. So be sure to write these items down. Be sure to write down how much it is so that you don't get up to the front counter and get surprised if you don't meet your 25 mark. And also if you don't get coupons taken off. But be sure to always ask the cashier, did everything have a coupon come off? Otherwise, you're gonna be paying full price for whatever it is, and then you might end up needing to bring it back like I have before, and that is truly not embarrassing, but it is, because I should have returned it right then and there instead of going home and waiting until the following Saturday. So I'm gonna go to Family Dollar, and then I'm gonna be on my way to CVS. So some of the things that I'm just gonna pick up today, when you guys create new accounts, it gives you certain things to get. So two of the first things that you're gonna get when couponing with a new account is Caress and Dove, where you get to pick out bars, or you can pick out the actual body wash itself. So today I'm basically just gonna be getting like Sparkle, paper towels, swabs products, Colgate products, air fresheners, shaving gel, and then Airwick, CoverGirl. This week CoverGirl was save $4 on anything for your face and anything for your eyes. So the pencils at Family Dollar are $5. So you're basically gonna be just paying $1 for your items. And then I'm also gonna see about the Johnson and Desitin products. You get to save $1 on those. And I'm gonna get some Degree, Mr. Clean, Tide Pods. I have so many pods, I definitely don't need any more. I'm gonna get some U by Kotex, and then also some toilet paper by Cottonelle. That's gonna be $4. So you want to add some things that are not gonna make you like come all the way down, but you do want to add at least one item that's going to try to help you get up to that $25 range. So yeah, and then of course I'm using my mom's number, my phone number, Charles's phone number, and then my mom's second line number and my grandmother's phone number. So that's 5 accounts that I have right there. If I really wanted to, I could do one more account by using my grandfather's, but that's just too much to memorize, too many accounts to go in and basically clip every single coupon to use. So join me as I'm on my way over to Family Dollar, and let's go in and coupon.
You got that something, baby, that I can go
It's like y'all ain't said my name first. He a junkie, he ain't
out just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby.
So these are the deals that I'm going in to get. Hopefully these work, as the couponing for this week was not so great just due to things not really being a great price.
Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, I'll never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love,
All right, so let me go ahead and check out of here. Here's my receipt for one of them. I paid $19.65. Now that's really not a good deal because last week I was beating that. The Colgate did not come off, and this is the first deal that I did, and the swab did not come off. Now this one, I just used the extra number and I got one of those for free. This is not a deal, $21.09 for this. I did not get the extra manufacturer coupon off for the all. This right here, the degree did not come off, as well as the Suave. So I need to figure out an idea how to get the degree to come off correctly. And then on here, it was the 2 Colgates that did not come off, which was supposed to be buy 2 and you save $3, which means 1 would be free. Now $20 right here for this was really not a good deal either. All right, so I have successfully made it over to CVS. I want to see if anything will be better in here. Hopefully so. I know for sure I need to try and get some Dove. I do have a coupon on my card for $3 off of that. And then there's one more thing I just really can't think of it. I wrote it down and now I can't think. So I'll just have to go through my app to check. As you guys know, Family Dollar was definitely wacko this week. I am not loving what I spent this week there. So hopefully, hopefully this goes much better and according to plan, because crazy. So I am going to check on some of these paper coupons just to see if they have deals with those. Well, here's a great tip for when doing CVS. Make sure that all of your stuff comes off. Unfortunately, mine did not. So there only was 2 coupons that came off, and that was $71 total. No, thank you. So I end up getting the 2 Air Wicks, the Tide Pods, the Skintimate shaving gel, as well as some razors and some Parasil laundry detergent, and as well as some Snuggle, and 2 L'Oreal products, as well as Dove body bar soaps, some Listerine, 2 of the Garnier Fructis. They were supposed to be buy 2, save $3 off. And yeah, as you guys can see, this is what I got from CVS. When I got home and realized that my total was $71, I knew that something was not right. So I decided that I needed to get ready to take it back as far as my receipt and see what I can do. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna drive and talk about how the deal went wrong. So the deal went wrong just because a lot of things were not planned out. And when I did plan it out, it just was all over the place. So basically, with that being said, I'm gonna end up having to take the items back. So I'm on my way to CVS now to return some of those items that did not go too well at CVS. And then tomorrow, I guess I will just have to return the stuff to Family Dollar that did not go well. So I think what happened with CVS was that my number somehow was not connected to my account. How is that possible? I don't know. So I went in this afternoon after leaving there, connected it, and I'm gonna try to go back and get them to refund me, but then like see if it works to redo it. I'm not sure what we need to do, so yeah. Let's just see if this works. If so, I'm gonna come back in the car and let you guys know either way what was really the problem, because I was supposed to get 1 Air Wick, buy 1 get 1 free. I was also supposed to get a certain amount of money off of the items that I got, and I did not. So, all right, y'all. So I'm back in the car from CVS. The deal actually worked. I went back in. So earlier at home, I went in my account and added a phone number. Apparently, that's all I had to do. And so when I added my phone number, now that I took everything back and returned it, easily it all came off. So you guys can see all of these items here came off. The only thing that would not come off was my 2 air wigs, so I'm not sure what happened with that. I might play around with that at home and like try to do a pickup one day this week. So yeah, I'm just not sure. I left it sitting right there because I'm trying to catch deals and not you know, have to pay a buku amount of money for things. So luckily, I wonder if it tells me how much I saved. Okay, so I saved $31.55. So obviously everything that I bought earlier was full price because, prime example, I did get $3.50 taken off of the Garnier. The razors, I got $3.80 taken off as well. So yeah, what a great deal. So thanks guys so much for joining me on my first official fail Saturday where I didn't get too many good deals and I went and failed at CVS, but I did fix it. I did get it right. So you guys got to see that. Yeah, so be sure to like this video and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I am going to be putting out a coupon blog every Saturday just so you guys can see the real life to couponing, whether it's a fail, whether it's you know, really actually couponing. And then also I would love to do a video on just some different tips. So comment down below if you would rather see more tips for next Saturday's coupon video, or if you would rather just see another couponing video. So thanks guys so much.